We're out here at our spot that we've been coming for the last 4 turkey openers. Just talked to the landowner. They said there's been quite a few birds hanging out around these horse corrals. So we're thinking we're gonna get in here, scout it out tonight, see where the birds are roosting, get our Zenek blinds in here, and usually on the opening morning we kind of battle on where to set up the blinds, just because they have their livestock in different spots, so it kind of spreads the turkeys out differently. So this year we're thinking we're gonna try and get in kind of on the edge of these horse corrals that they have here, because turkeys have kind of been pecking through the horse corrals in the morning and evening. So these big ponderosas are perfect. It's where these birds always roost. There's been so many birds hitting some of these that they've actually killed some of the trees because they've been roosting them so thick. Windy. Probably can't even hear it. Just head on down the road. Bro. Dude. How didn't we see him? Dude, that's a nice set. How'd we miss him? We walked like 50 yards by him. Heck yeah, dude. I guess it's too windy to try and find turkeys, so we should just look for sheds. Our turkey season often becomes a time to search the land for the valued antlers of the Rocky Mountain elk. These foothills draw in bachelor herds during the winter and spring months, which result in numerous areas to find these cherished treasures. For every antler found lies a magnificent story of the bull's journey over the past year. Whether it be a broken time that resulted from a battle in the fall, or the massive weight carried around through its daily life. There are no two alike, and the excitement helps to pass the time while trying to locate these unresponsive birds. Nice. First time we've seen all day. Perfect. They all went out of sight. Get the blind set up. Sneak back in here in the morning and hopefully kill that tom. I love being able to get out, in and out easily. Last night we saw 5 hens and 1 tom come up to roost this group of pine trees up on top of this hill. We thought there was only 1 tom, but we've been hearing 2 toms gobble all morning on the roost, so it sounds like they just flew down not too long ago. They kind of shut up, but
Hopefully pretty soon here they'll start working their way towards us. Sounds like that's what they've been doing, is flying down up top on this hill, working their way down across this field, pecking their way through. So if that's true, we should be right on their path to be able to call them in and intercept them.
These birds are smart. They've been here all winter and must know that something is off. They're definitely skirting the blind well out of range. I think that Tom is purposefully moving his hens away from our decoys. Must be an old bird. It's probably going to be tough to call in. We decide to move our setup for the afternoon. These birds came from that timbered cut last night and moved up this path to roost. As long as they do it again, then we're in a perfect spot to ambush them. Here comes a hen. That Tom is still down there just hanging out. He's got that other hen with him. I don't think he's gonna come up here. He's just down there gobbling his head off. He must think that our decoys are real birds. I think he's just trying to call us down to him. He's smart. We're definitely gonna have to change things up for tomorrow. We were able to sneak in here last night and get the blind set up close to the roost, right next to these corrals. We're pretty tight to the roost, so we're hoping they're not going to be nervous of the blind. We decided that we're not going to put out any decoys or do any calling. We're just going to let them fly down and do their thing. There he goes. Nope. He's just turning around. He's getting ready to fly down, though. Just wait, just wait. Alright, here we go. Man, look at that bird. They're over there just pecking around. Here comes his hen right here, right here. Don't move. Okay, here comes the rest. I think they're all gonna follow her. They're gonna come right by us. I always appreciate the success of every hunt. It embeds into my soul and helps to better my outlook on life. A simple idea that many people tend not to grasp. But if they were to pay close enough attention, a beautiful story would unfold before their eyes. It's out there, awaiting us all. It can be heard with the pureness of our heart. Like a breeze floating through the trees. Just like a whisper in the woods.